What's going on, guys? It's Lucas with Overkill Computers, and if you want to see how we took this here fiber optic cable and turned it into this, then you'll want to stick around for the video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and also comment below and tell us what you think of this. Now for a word from our sponsors. Today's build video was brought to you by EKWB, a premium liquid cooling solutions provider bearing the name of its founder, Edvard Koenig. Here at Overkill Computers, we have built so many water-cooled computers, and we have used lots of EKWB components, and every time we do, we see the quality and craftsmanship, attention to detail that goes into every single part they produce. And guys, they're great to deal with, so if you're looking to go water-cooled for your computer, check out ekwb.com. So now that that's over, let's talk about not the fiber optics yet. We're gonna talk about the paint. So if you've noticed, this is a black colored computer. It's a matte color. And originally we picked out this color called Vanta Black, which you really can't buy anymore. There's a lot of other paints out there that talk about Vanta Black and different types of paint that compare. And the whole premise, guys, if you've ever seen it on Instagram or YouTube or any social media of things or objects that are painted in eerily dark colors, like even cars, it is Vanta Black or some other name like Black 3.0. Well, guys, we bought this Black 3.0 because we wanted the computer to actually look like it didn't even exist, because per the videos out there about Vanta or Black 3.0, it looks like the camera can't even see the object because it's so dark. It's supposed to absorb 99.8 or 9% of the light, but guys, as you can see, we painted this computer in Vanta Black, and it didn't quite turn out how we wanted it to. We did everything like we were supposed to. We have a professional artist, Nate, painting this computer, and unfortunately, it's not as dark as we'd like. We wanted it to be kind of an optical illusion that the stars and space inside are kind of disappearing into the componentry right here in the center of the computer. And you know, it's fine. We think it turned out beautiful, but it's just not quite as dark as they say it is, but it's all good. So moving on to the interior of this computer, look inside and you see that we have dual loops. We have purple and blue Primo Chill liquid, both are metallics, and we added a little bit of UV reactive dye so it would glow a little bit more with the black lights. If you look below, there is a second level. It looks a little messier down here, but that's by design. If you notice, we tinted the outside of the glass so you cannot see below the deck. And down here we have our two pumps and reservoir combos, and we have, you know, two loops, so they're both different colors, all soft tubing below. And this is where we also hid the fiber optics box controller. Nate did a great job painting this computer. If you look inside of it, you see asteroids, meteors, not sure which one they are actually. If you know, just go ahead and comment in the comment section below. We have moons, planets, stars. We have a preferred way we paint now when it comes to UV reactive paint. We've kind of perfected it here. We have a paint booth in the back, and what we do is we paint with normal lighting, and then we will take breaks and then turn on the UV reactive black lights to see the effect of the painting itself, to see kind of what colors we're playing with. And that's what Nate did. He really knocked this one out of the park. Now the fiber optics on the build, what I talked about at the beginning of the video, this was the hardest thing to deal with. It was painstaking to sit there and drill every single hole and then gently route that cable and then have to hot glue it in. And then after that, I would have to take a heat gun to train the bends of the fiber optic cables so they aren't 90-degree angles, just a nice accentuated curve. After all of that, cutting areas to where I could put those in, and you could see they kind of sag here below underneath the second part of the build, and then the back of the build, we trained those cables the best we possibly could. So guys, that's the build, and at the end I'm gonna show you some beautiful B-roll shots, but if you didn't know by now, we're actually giving this computer away to a lucky winner, and it's not just a computer. I made it the whole package. We're doing a monitor, a 27-inch, 144 hertz, 2560 by 1440 LG monitor, as well as the full mouse, keyboard, and headset combo, so it's truly the full package. So make sure you check that out in the comments below, and if you are watching this video a little bit later, we do giveaways all the time, so most likely if you check it and the giveaway's already been done, there'll be something new down there anyways. We also have a list down below to our Discord, which is very, very active, and all of our other socials, guys. So make sure you like, subscribe, and come back and see us again. And just so you know, we do a lot of streaming here at the warehouse. We actually stream build videos on Twitch and kind of daily operations here at the warehouse. This can be a pretty interesting place. We're doing a lot of fun stuff like building $50,000 racing sims upstairs. We have the project about to get kicked off right now as we speak. It's kind of a mess, I'll give you a peek. As you can see over here on the left, whole big pile of parts, and on the right, we're modifying this platform so we can put 2 side-by-side racing sims. And the whole premise behind all of this is to put multiple cameras around this warehouse, be able to extend different camera views and switch in between those throughout the day as we stream. I even thought about putting a camera on my dog, my golden retriever Stella, that I bring here to the warehouse. So check back on the streams. If you're ever on Twitch and you're followed or subscribed and get a notification, come watch sometimes. Super, super fun. We also have a nighttime gaming stream too, if you're into watching. So guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and come back and see us again.